Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be trying and also showing you guys what is happening with my cube in general. So I have my very first cube, of course. You've seen this cube for a long time. You've seen two videos with this cube. The timer cube and also some Rubik's cube in Starbucks, Rubik's cube in also in the trying to solve a Rubik's cube part 1. So here it is, ready. I have 3 new cubes. I got this yesterday. I ordered this. This is an MOU. I don't know what MOU is this. I have to say, it's a really nice MOU, but I think I broke it. I just keep on doing that, and it kind of broke. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this on the side. This is the MOU right here. I think I broke it, but here's my 2x2, the first ever 2x2. So my 2x2 right here. Sorry, the lighting is kind of disgusting right now, but yeah, here's my 2x2. So here is my first ever Rubik's brand. This is the 3x3 Rubik's brand. It's very expensive, freaking expensive. But it has a couple lockups as well, which I don't like. It's not really for cubing. It's not really for a speed cube. It is for practicing your just for learning. Like, it's not for speed cubing. It's not for competitions. So do not buy Rubik's brand. If you guys want to buy it, just buy it. Yeah, I'm not saying that don't buy it. I just want to say that don't buy it if you're a cuber, you're a speed cuber. Don't buy this. Buy like MOU and stuff, Shang Shao or But I have to say, I bought this because it's kind of cool, because I just want to get my very first cube. This one, I haven't solved this one, so I just got a fake one right here. Like, this one is real weird. But like I said, it doesn't matter what cube are you using, it still is a Rubik's cube. So yeah, guys, this is my Rubik's cube, I guess, collection.